What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Does Things here at New Year's Eve 2024, about to roll into 2025 with an epic visit to Six Flags over Texas. Been a long time since we've been here, so excited to get in here, ride some of the rides we haven't done in a long time. I mean, it's probably been like 18 months since I've been to this park. Excited to take you along for the ride. Let's get inside and take a look at everything they have to offer. And here we go, rolling into Six Flags over Texas for the first time in a long time. New Year's Eve. Let's go. All right, starting off with a visit from Bugs and Daffy. Let's do this. Time to get on the Runaway Mine Train. It looks like the mini mine train's actually going to be closed today, but the mine train looks to have a pretty low wait. Honestly, the crowds for New Year's Eve have not been bad at all. Let's go up the stairs and find out. So the line for the mine train is basically non-existent. This is basically a walk-on. And here we go, the mine train. Should be the fastest ride in the wilderness. All right, so the mine train was a good time. There's absolutely no line, so we're going to ride this one again. Next up, the Gunslinger, which is going to be a swing type ride. They strap you in across the chest, and then there's a kind of a bar that goes down around your lap. They take you up maybe, I don't know, a good 15, 20 feet in the air, or spin you around real quick, but should be a good time. Let's go. All right, so Gunslinger was a good time. It always spins you faster than I remember that it spins you, but really enjoyed that one. Let's see what we got next. I think we need to get a coaster in. All right, through this big, giant mountain and through the woods. Runaway Mountain. Very excited to get through this. It's been a long time. Pretty sure the Christmas lights are on. Unfortunately, Six Flags doesn't let us film, so let you know how it is on the flip side. Inside, oh, I can hear Christmas music on the inside of the Runaway Mountain. Look at this. Snow? Yeah, we've got snow up here. Very, very cool. All right, so Runaway Mountain was pretty awesome. It was definitely Christmas lights in there, and they were synced to music, kind of like you see the houses synced to music. So unbelievably fun. Even though it's New Year's Eve, past Christmas, still really fun to see something Christmassy like that. Next up, though, a ride we've never done, Pirates of Spelunker Cave. Here we go, rolling through Six Flags, going through Port LaSalle to see the Pirates of Spelunker Cave. Really excited for this one. Let's go. We have made it. The line said in the app that it was going to take 15 minutes. It actually was probably closer to 30, but here we are, ready to see the speeds.
You can't sign us here?
22, 23, 24, 25. I've already calculated. 25, 26. I've already got that one. 27.
All right, so Pirates of Spelunker Cave was wild. I mean, super weird. We did play the game where we counted the Santa Claus hats. We got to 62. Let me know down in the comments how many of you counted. I wonder if there's like an official number that's in there, because some of them were pretty hidden, but 62 is what we came up with. Next up is the Boomtown Railway. You know what? I don't know that I've ever done this before, but looks like it's got the old steam-powered, at least I'm assuming that's steam-powered engine. Let's go. All right, so over here at Texas Size Hot Dogs, we picked up some French fries. Take a guess at how much this cost me. I'll let you know in 3, 2, 1, $11. Superman Tower of Power. One of my absolute favorite rides, maybe of all time. I mean, that thing is epic. It says it's 15 minutes in the app. Let's buy a flash pass and see how long it takes. All right, down here at the base of Superman Tower of Power. 300 and some odd feet tall. Gonna be crazy. This line, though, is something else. Now, we have not seen the Dino Off-Road Adventure, whatever they're calling the antique car ride. and the line was ridiculously long, so I don't think that we're going to, but it is nice that you can kind of see the dinosaurs along the walking path. Pretty enormous. Wish they would do this at Frontier City. And off to Gotham we go with Batman flying by there. The loop, yeah. All right, this should be a good time. All right, it's time for Pandemonium, the spinniest ride. You ready?
The what?
The spinniest lose your lunch ride there ever has been. And that is Shockwave. Excited to do this one. We haven't done this one in a really long time.
I've never done this. I never done it.
One last stroll through the park. There's almost nobody here, but it is beautiful. Coasters up there. So fun. Look at that. Let's go. All right, it's getting late, almost to the end of our day. I think we're gonna end it the best way I know how. Mr. Freeze. I'll never forget the first time I rode this ride. I mean, it was absolutely groundbreaking. The first launch coaster I ever did, the first one that went forwards and backwards that I ever did. This is gonna be awesome. So like I said, this was the first launch coaster that I ever rode. And the other unique thing is this sliding system they have to load 2 trains at once. There's another train over here that's actually not operating right now, but what it would do is it would take turns loading back and forth. So we're about to see this one go right across there and then launch through the tube.
You guys make it behind the yellow line. Once again, tell my guests in the queue line. Please make sure you are behind the yellow line, not in front. Behind the yellow line. The yellow line is there for a reason.
And then 0 to, I think, 65 miles an hour. Almost immediately. There they go. And just like that, our time at Six Flags Over Texas is over. Mr. Freeze was amazing, Batman was amazing, had a really amazing time. Looking forward to the new year in 2025 for all the adventures. Appreciate you coming along. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you.